Hello, and welcome to Anna and Jake Real Life English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. It's really nice to have you with us today.
Jake, quick question before we start. Are you an arrive super early person or an arrive last minute and run person?
Oh, I'm definitely the super early person. I like to be at the gate with a coffee, just relaxing.
I want to be that person, but airports still make me a little nervous.
You're not alone. Airports can feel stressful, even in your own language.
And when English isn't your first language, it can feel even harder.
That's why today's episode is so useful.
Today, we're learning English at the airport, step by step. Check-in, baggage, security, passport control, and boarding.
Simple English, real life situations, calm and friendly.
And we'll practice short, useful sentences you can copy.
Let's start with the first big moment check in.
Imagine you walk up to the check-in desk and the staff member smiles and says, "Good morning. May I see your passport, please?"
A simple answer is, of course, here you are.
Let's say it slowly. Of course, here you are.
One more time. Of course, here you are.
Great. Then they might ask, "Where are you flying today?"
You can say, I'm flying to London, or I'm flying to New York.
Another very common question is, "Do you have a booking reference?"
If you don't know that word, don't panic. You can say, sorry, do you mean my reservation number?
Or you can simply ask, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
Let's practice that one. Sorry, could you repeat that please?
One more time. "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
Perfect.
Now, let's talk about baggage. They might ask, "Do you have any bags to check in?"
You can answer, yes, I have one suitcase. Or, no, I only have hand luggage.
Hand luggage means the bag you take onto the plane.
Right. And sometimes they ask about weight. Is this your only bag?
Or, "Please place your bag on the scale."
Scale means the machine that checks weight.
And sometimes the bag is too heavy. That happens.
It really happens a lot.
If the bag is too heavy, they might say, "Your bag is overweight."
Overweight means too heavy.
You can respond politely, "Oh, I'm sorry. What can I do?"
Or, can I move some items to my hand luggage?
That sentence is great. Let's practice it slowly. Can I move some items to my hand luggage?
One more time. Can I move some items to my hand luggage?
Nice. Sometimes there is a fee. The staff member might say there is an extra charge.
Extra charge means you have to pay more money.
You can ask, "How much is it?"
Or, can I pay by card? Great and simple.
Another useful situation, you have something fragile in your bag.
You can say, this bag is fragile. Or, please handle it carefully.
Handle it carefully means be gentle.
And if you want a specific seat, you can ask at check-in.
You can say, "Can I have a window seat, please?" Or, "Can I have an aisle seat, please?"
Aisle seat is a seat next to the walkway.
If they say no, it's okay. You can say, "No problem, thank you."
Now, after check-in, you get your boarding pass.
The staff member might say, "Here's your boarding pass."
You can respond, thank you. Which gate is it?
Or, "What time does boarding start?"
Let's practice that one. What time does boarding start?
One more time. What time does boarding start?
Quick real-life moment, Jake. Have you ever gone to the wrong gate?
Yes. Once I was so relaxed with my coffee, I forgot to check the screen and the gate changed.
Oh no, that's the classic airport surprise.
So, a useful sentence is, has the gate changed?
Or, is this the right gate for flight BA204?
Perfect.
Okay, next step, security.
This is where people often feel nervous.
At security, you might hear, "Please take off your jacket."
Or, please take off your belt.
Or, "Please remove your shoes."
And very common, please take out your laptop.
If you don't understand, ask for help. You can say, "Excuse me, what should I do?"
Or, could you show me, please?
That one is very useful. Let's practice it. Could you show me, please?
One more time. Could you show me, please?
Great.
They might also say, please put your bag in the tray.
Tray is the plastic box.
And if you have liquids, they might say, liquids must be in a clear bag.
Clear bag means a transparent bag.
If you're not sure, ask, is this okay? Or do I need to take this out?
Simple questions, very normal.
Sometimes you get a random check.
They might say, we need to do an additional screening.
Additional screening means extra check.
You can stay calm and say, okay, no problem.
And if you want to be polite, you can say, sure, what do you need from me?
Nice, that sounds confident.
After security, you go to passport control. Not every flight has it, but many international flights do.
At passport control, the officer might ask, what is the purpose of your visit?
Purpose means the reason.
You can answer, I'm here for a holiday, or I'm here for business, or I'm visiting family.
Another common question is, how long are you staying?
You can say, I'm staying for 5 days, or I'm staying for 2 weeks.
Sometimes they ask, where will you stay?
You can answer, I'm staying at a hotel, or I'm staying with a friend.
And sometimes, do you have a return ticket?
Return ticket means a ticket to go back home.
You can say, yes, I do. Here it is.
Let's practice one polite sentence that helps a lot. Sorry, my English is not perfect.
That's honest and friendly, and people usually become more patient.
Okay, now we're at the gate. This is the waiting part.
You check the screen, you listen to announcements.
You might hear, boarding will begin soon.
Or, this flight is delayed.
Delayed means late.
If you want to ask, you can say, what time will we board?
Or, is the flight delayed?
Very clear.
Then boarding starts. The staff might say, we are now boarding group 1.
Or, we are now boarding rows 20 to 30.
If you're not sure, ask, which group am I in?
Or, can I board now?
And if you need help finding your seat, you can say, excuse me, can you help me find my seat?
Great.
Another real-life moment, sometimes the plane is full and the overhead bins are full.
Yes, and people panic about their bags.
So you might hear, please place your bag under the seat.
Or, we need to check your bag at the gate.
That means they take your bag and put it in the plane's cargo.
If you want to keep something, you can say, can I take my laptop out first?
Or, may I keep my passport and phone with me?
Perfect.
Okay, let's do a quick review. We'll say the key sentences again.
First, may I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Your bag is overweight.
What can I do? Can I move some items to my hand luggage?
At security, please take out your laptop.
Okay. Could you show me, please?
At passport control, what is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for a holiday.
At boarding, which group am I in?
Great.
Anna, I think this episode could save people a lot of stress.
I hope so. And one last thing. If you feel nervous, remember this. You don't need perfect English. You just need clear, polite English.
Exactly. And it's always okay to ask someone to repeat.
Thank you so much for listening today.
If you enjoyed this episode, practice a few sentences out loud.
Slowly, clearly, and with confidence.
We'll be back soon with more real-life English.
Until next time, have a safe journey.
And enjoy your travels.